Hello students, we have done with the thing cell. Clear? So in cell we have done with plant cell. So अब हमने plant cell के बारे में उसका general account कर लिया है. Next we will differentiate this plant cell into different parts. So first part of this is cell envelope and the second part of this is protoplasm. Clear? So cell envelope is further divided into two parts. So first is cell wall and second part of this is plasma membrane. Next, protoplasm is further divided into many subparts. So protoplasm is further divided into cytoplasm, then nucleus and vacuole. So cytoplasm is the main thing in which cytoplasmic matrix is present, in which second thing is present is organelles. So organelles are such as endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria. So today we will do this thing which is cytoplasm. Okay. So let's start with the cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is discovered by Strasburger in 1882. Clear? So cytoplasm is derived from two words. First word is cytos, which means cell, and plasma. The meaning of plasma is foam. So cytoplasm is the thing which maintain form or shape of the cell. Clear? So next we will start with the thing. Cytoplasm mainly consists three things. So first one is organelles. Second thing is cytoplasmic matrix. And the last and third thing is cell inclusion. So जो cytoplasm है उसको डिस्कवर किया था स्ट्रैसबर्गर ने 1882 में. देन साइटोप्लाज्म इज फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू ऑर्गेनेल्स, साइटोप्लाज्मिक मैट्रिक्स एंड सेल इंक्लूजन. क्लियर? सो वी हैव डन विद द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द सेल. सो इन अ जर्नल सेल देयर इज अ सेंट्रल न्यूक्लियस एंड दिस थिंग इज नोन एज साइटोप्लाज्म ऑफ द सेल. Clear? So what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is semi-fluid bulk mass which is bounded by plasma lemma. So जो cytoplasm है वो क्या है? Semi-fluid state में होता है, एक bulk mass है जो किससे बाउंड है? प्लाज्मा लेमा से. So this layer is known as plasma lemma. इसके आसपास क्या होगा? सेल वॉल प्रेजेंट होगी in the plant cell. Clear? So except nucleus, जो न्यूक्लियस और वैक्यूल है वो साइटोप्लाज्म में नहीं आते हैं. सिर्फ ये जो मटेरियल है जिसमें ऑर्गेनेल्स प्रेजेंट है सिर्फ वही हमारा साइटोप्लाज्म है सेल का. क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद साइटोप्लाज्मिक मैट्रिक्स. दिस इज आल्सो नोन एज साइटोसोल. इसको साइटोसोल भी कहते हैं और हेलारोप्लाज्म भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है? सो साइटोप्लाज्म में सबसे मेन चीज क्या है? साइटोप्लाज्मिक मैट्रिक्स है. क्लियर? So cytosol is a fluid part which is a mixture of soil and gel. जो सोल और जेल का मिक्सचर है. सोल part of the fluid is known as plasmasol and gel part of the fluid is known as the plasma gel. Clear? Now next is plasmasol is a translucent fluid which is present internally. That is why this is known as endoplasm. इसको एंडोप्लाज्म क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि ये इंटरनली प्रेजेंट है. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट इज प्लाज्मा जेल. दिस इज अ ट्रांसपेरेंट फ्लूइड विच इज प्रेजेंट जस्ट आफ्टर प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन और प्लाज्मा लेमा. दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज नोन एज एक्टोप्लाज्म. क्योंकि ये बाहर प्रेजेंट है इसलिए इसको एक्टोप्लाज्म भी बोलते हैं. सो मेनली plasma gel is present near the plasma lemma. So next is constituents of the cytoplasm. So mainly cytoplasm contain 90% of water. Along with this, amino acid, minerals, nucleotides, vitamins, proteins and transfer RNA are also present. Clear? So these are the constituents of the cytoplasm. Now we will learn about functions of cytoplasmic matrix. So first function of this is raw material. So each type of raw material is present in cytoplasmic matrix, which is further used in different type of processes. Second function is, this is the passage or pathway through which different organelles exchange their material. So organelles exchange their material through cytoplasmic matrix. Third point is, many types of biosynthesis occur in cytoplasmic matrix. Next point is catabolic activities. So what are catabolic activities? Catabolic activities are glycolysis, anaerobic respiration and pentose pathway type of respiration. So these are the catabolic activities such as glycolysis, anaerobic respiration and pentose pathway type of respiration which occur in cytoplasmic matrix. Clear? So let's take a recap. Cytoplasmic matrix has these functions: raw material. So raw material is provided by cytoplasmic matrix. Passage or pathway for exchange of material which is synthesized by different organelles. Biosynthesis. So this is the site for synthesis of many biomolecules. Last is catabolic activity such as glycolysis, anaerobic respiration and pentose pathway type of respiration which occurs in cytoplasmic matrix. So these are the functions of cytoplasmic matrix. Clear? Next important thing of cytoplasmic streaming. So what is cytoplasmic streaming? So mainly streaming means movement. So cytoplasmic streaming is the movement of cytoplasmic content. This is also known as cyclosis or protoplasmic streaming. So next important thing is cytoplasmic streaming. This is the movement of the cytoplasmic content which occurs continuously and automatically. So this is also known as cyclosis and protoplasmic streaming. Next is type of cytoplasmic streaming. So there are two types. First one is rotation and next is circulation. So cytoplasmic streaming is of two types, rotation and circulation. Rotation is done only in one direction. कि जो रोटेशन है वो सिर्फ एक ही डायरेक्शन में होती है अराउंड अ सिंगल वैक्यूल, लार्ज वैक्यूल. क्लियर? सो दिस इज ओनली इन वन डायरेक्शन. Rotation is only occur in one direction. Clear? So this is the example of young leaves of hydrilla. कि जो young leaves है hydrilla के उसमें इस तरह की circulation motion cytoplasmic streaming होती है. ठीक है? Next is circulation. Circulations occur in different directions around different small vacuoles. So जो circulation है वो different direction में होती है around small vacuoles. So if there are many vacuoles are present, so then circulation will occur. The example of circulation is staminal fluid in Bradescantia. So these are the types of cytoplasmic streaming, rotation and circulation. Next is rate of the cytoplasmic streaming कि ये कितनी स्पीड पे होता है. ठीक है? So first of all, rate of the cytoplasmic streaming is depend upon viscosity of the cytoplasm, temperature of the cytoplasm and metabolic state of the cytoplasm. So इसके हिसाब से इसका जो rate of cytoplasmic streaming है वो change हो सकता है, ज्यादा भी हो सकता है और कम भी हो सकता है. So this is all about cytoplasm matrix. Clear?